Hi. What you doing?
And send him.
Hi. What you doing?
Are you a member of the Master Facebook page?
Hello. What is your name? That's Coffee. Hi, Coffee. What's Coffee doing? Hi, Coffee. Hi, Mr. Coffee. You guys chewing away on my shoelaces? That's Sienna and that's Peanut chewing away on my shoelaces, trying to chew my shoelaces apart. There's Chestnut. Chestnut's, he wants to get my shoelaces too. We're glaggling, taking away my shoelaces. Yeah, and old Hershey, Mr. Hershey Kisses right there. Hershey's Kisses. What you doing, Hershey? Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. You guys are all just so lovable and huggable. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're also lovable and huggable. Even Sienna's getting in on it. Sienna actually has grown so much in the last, week, that she's in there roughhousing with the big boys. It's amazing how these guys go in these surges, because Sienna was like small 2 weeks ago. This one right here. This is Sienna. She was small 2 weeks ago. Now she's in there roughhousing with the big boys. She just packed on probably 4 or 5 pounds and says, "Is that water? I just want to drink water." What are you guys doing? Tearing away at my. What you doing, a chestnut? Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. How's my chestnut doing? How's my chestnut doing? Oh. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who are you? Cinnamon! Hey, Cinnamon! Hey, buddy! Hi, buddy! What's my Cinnamon doing? What's my Cinnamon doing? Gotta have some hugs and kisses there. You too, Peanut? You too, Peanut? You wanna have some hugs and kisses? My big Cinnamon. My big Cinnamon, yes. It's my buddy. It's my buddy. Yeah, that's my buddy. Peanut wants to climb up on top of you. Oh, you want up in my lap? Oh, okay. All right. Well, there. I'll put you up in my lap. You're a cutie. Yes, you are. You're a cutie. You're a keeper. Yes, you are. You're a keeper. All right, gotta end this.